Welcome to Simply Benefits, a 100% digital employee benefits experience. Let's take a look. Your dashboard is your place for quick access to all of our best features. Here you can view your benefits card, submit a claim, and more. Your personalized drug card can be found under the Benefits Card tab. Use this card when going to the pharmacy or when buying prescription drugs online. If you want a physical copy, click Download Printable Version and print this page to put in your wallet. Your extended healthcare claims can be found under the Claims page. Submitting a claim takes less than 5 minutes. Simply fill out some basic information and attach a receipt. If you have a health spending account, you'll be asked to use it as a top-up. This means the remaining amount will be paid through your health spending account. Our adjudication team will confirm and pay your claim within 24 hours. All of your spending account information can be found under the Spending Accounts tab. You can view your remaining amount, recent claims, and submit a new claim. You can view all of your benefits usage on the Usage page. Here, all of your usage is broken down by line of benefit, and you can see how much you've spent and how much you have left to spend. If you aren't sure of your plan coverage, visit the Coverage page for a breakdown of coverage for each line of benefit that you have. You can also use our AI-powered search if you have a specific question that you want answered. Simply type in a question like, "Do I have coverage for braces?" and we'll get the answer to you right away. At any time, you can view all of your account details and make any changes you need. Here, you'll find general account details, banking details, and more. If at any time you have questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team by clicking Support. You can submit a ticket and someone from our team will get in contact with you right away. Simply Benefits, life made easy.